My name is Wyatt Conover, representing the class of 2019 for the robotics team. I think it's a pretty good idea and I'm ready for it.
My name is Lytle ISD. I'm representing Soul Studios. Yeah, I'm looking forward to throw this stick into the fire.
My name is Adrian Emery and I'm representing JRTC class of 2019. This is like the first actual event that we've done as a Lytle community, and it's kind of exciting being part of that. The torch that I made for our junior RTC class, I added everyone's thumbprints just so everyone from JRTC is a part of this when I light this.
My name is Chevy Landwork. I'm presenting for the Lytle FFA organization.
My name is Shandy Rodriguez, the senior class of 2019, and I'm representing the Lytle varsity cheer squad. Yes, and I hope it turns out really good, and go Pirates!
So my name is Joshua Montes, and I'm representing the class of 2019. We're all going to gather here together, so it should be fun.
My name is Javier Garcia. I'm representing class of 2019 for football. It just seems like a really fun thing to do.
My name is Josiah for basketball. It brings everybody together, something new that we haven't done before.
My name is Monique. I'm representing the class of 2019. This is a spirit stick for the band seniors. I'm very excited for the bonfire because this is a new tradition and I think this school needs traditions.
My name is Clarissa Cantillo. I'm representing class of 2019, the seniors. I'm representing track. I am looking forward to the bonfire a lot because this is something new we're doing and I like the idea.
My name is Alex. I'm an athletic trainer. I'm representing the trainers today, right here. We have a backside as well. All the trainers' names. Senior year. Who wouldn't be excited for this day?
My name is Faith Martinez. I think the bonfire this evening is going to be great and lots of fun. So I'm very excited to be here and to light the fire with my drama club torch. I got selected to do this because I'm probably one of the most involved people and I'm one of the only seniors. I am representing the drama club tonight. The torch that we made, the decorations, they're based off of the show that we're doing this year called Eurydice. And each object on here symbolizes something. This red flower symbolizes me, the branches symbolize the environment of Eurydice, and that's our torch.